First, add a cube to your scene and move it up so that it sits on the origin point. Go into Edit mode, switch to Edge Select, and select one of the cube's main side edges. Now press Ctrl B to bevel the edge, then open the Bevel menu from the bottom left corner. Choose Custom from the profile type and set the preset to Steps. Increase the number of segments to fill the bevel side with clean, smooth step divisions. This gives you a stylized stair block, useful for architectural design or low-poly models. Duplicate the first stair object. Enter Edit mode and select the back edge of the stair block. Press Ctrl B again and bevel it to form the back face of each stair step. This gives more structural volume and a traditional stair appearance. Duplicate the stair object again and move it to the left. Go to Edit mode, select the back edge as before, and bevel it, but this time, change the segment count to 1. This gives you a clean flat back on each step. Enable cavity shading in the viewport settings to better visualize the step edges. This style is perfect for minimal or stylized environments. Take any of the stairs you've created, go into Edit mode, and in Face Selection mode, select the top face. Press E to extrude and move it along the Y-axis. Then rotate it 90 degrees to act as the stair's top landing or platform. Place it properly and adjust the face if needed to match your scene. This method is great for creating staircases with a turn or landing area. Now let's build a clean parametric stair setup. Start with a plane and scale it along the X and Y axes. Don't forget to apply the scale by going to Object Apply a Scale. This step is important to avoid modifier issues. Add a Solidify Modifier, set the offset to 1, thickness to 0.15, and check the even thickness box. Next, add an Array Modifier. Disable relative offset and enable constant offset. Set the offset values to x equals 0, y equals 1, and z equals 0.5. Adjust the count to the number of steps you want. You can change Z to control stair height and Y to adjust the slope. This method is excellent for creating quickly adjustable stairs for interior designs. Lastly, let's create spiral stairs. Add a circle with 24 vertices and scale it slightly. Enter Edit mode, press E to extrude, and then press S to scale inward, leaving a hole for the stair pole. Enable X-ray mode by pressing Shift-Z, select all vertices except one segment, and delete them. Back in object mode, add a Solidify modifier with some thickness, around 0.05. Place the 3D cursor at the object's origin and add an empty. Now, select your stair segment, add an Array Modifier, disable Relative Offset, and enable Object Offset. Use the eyedropper to select the empty as the object. Increase the count. Then under Constant Offset, set Z equals 0.05 or 0.1 to control vertical rise. Use the empty to rotate on the Z-axis and create the spiral pattern. Adjust the thickness or spacing to close any gaps. Finally, add a cylinder for the stair pole. Scale it down and stretch it on the Z-axis. Switch to Top View, Numpad 7, to center the pole perfectly. Adjust the stair count again to match the pole's height. That completes your spiral staircase. Thank you and see you in the next video.